mansion. Let's see what we get here. Amen. Come on, baby. Alright, we're on 2 set Denon, so it's about 1.2. Cut the wheel. Alright, come on, baby. Do something with the wheel. We got $322 so far. But now we got a wheel bonus. That's pretty sick. I mean, those mansions were tiny. $40, $40, $20. But we got the wheel. This turns out to be anything good. Come on, give me an upgrade here. Let's make this really fun. Upgrade, 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 yes! Upgrade! Yes! Woo! Let's go, upgrade! Alright, come on, baby. No minis on that wheel. Woo-hoo! Come on, baby. Super Mansion. One time. Alright, Super Mega Head. The Sando bonus on the upgrade, but let's see what happens. Alright, that's not bad. Yeah, I need a lot of hats here. Oh no, not like that. Come on. Alright, a little like it. Oh, come on. I don't want the line hits, I want that. Yes, I want 3 triggers. Man, we only have 3 spins here. Come on. We need some more mansions. Don't race this upgrade. Come on. Oh, gosh. All that, can't get 1 hat? Oh, come on now. Okay, now we got another match. So last spin here. Yeah. Alright, well at least we got another match. Alright, 3 mansions. See what that's worth. Hopefully a couple $100 more. Alright, that's about $40. Okay. $60. Here we go. Get a wheel again, can you? That would be sick. Alright, well, a couple $100. We asked for it, we got it. Can't complain about that. That was a $475 bonus in its entirety. Like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate it.